the ball game. Well, I'm here for the Oakland A's baseball game. The real reason I'm here is not to watch baseball, but for what's happening after. After the game, there's going to be a drone light show. Let's go see what's about to happen. I'm here with Rick from Sky Elements. They are the ones putting on this drone light show tonight.
This is a medium-large show, so our average drone show is probably 300 drones, so for 500 drones, that's a nice size show.
Okay.
Typically for a show this size, we have about 15 to 18 people to get all the drones set up, with just one person flying the show. A lot of the work, and most of the work happens beforehand, so our creative team has spent probably about 150 hours of programming just for this show.
A week before this, you did a show at the Dodgers game.
Yep.
You did this. I hear you also did the Serena Williams baby gender reveal.
We did Serena Williams gender reveal. We fly 5 to 6 shows every week.
Okay.
So we're pretty busy all over the country.
How do I get my own personal drone light show?
You can visit our website, skyelementsdrones.com.
And I probably need to win the lottery to get some money to do that.
It's still a little expensive for drone shows. It's more than fireworks for sure. But
okay.
The prices are always getting better. The price right now is almost half of what it was just a year and a half ago.
It's becoming more affordable, and it's also more environmentally friendly, which I do like that aspect.
Particularly in some states where there's fire danger, that is a great benefit. Low noise, we're not impacting the neighbors, we're not impacting the pets, and then certainly we're leaving no debris behind.
I love that, and we get to have great custom designs. I'm excited to see Baby Grogu tonight. So I'm here with Preston. He's the chief pilot for our show tonight. He's also got his own YouTube channel, That Drone Show Guys, so you should definitely check that out. But he's going to tell us more about what's in his hands. What is this?
It's, just like any other drone you might see, except the big difference is it doesn't have a camera, and the other difference is it's got a very sophisticated computer. So this will get accurate down to the centimeter.
So we're standing in front of a stack of our 500 drones. Why are they in this stack?
So they're stacked just for easy transportation, and that's how we move them from place to place. After this, they're going to get laid out individually in grid format, so our first frame of the animation is a grid.
So this whole show has just you as the chief pilot, but we do have a big crew behind us. So tell me, what are all these people doing to support you?
Sure. So a lot of the crew, what they're doing right now is calibrating. Each drone, every time we go on site, has to be calibrated. So they go through the normal calibration just like other drones. And then they're going to lay out the grid and get that set up. And then after that, they're just there to pick up and get them done at the end of the night.
And so you have pretty much the coolest job. You're a chief pilot. Can you tell me, what is a day in the life of you as chief pilot?
I manage our whole pilot corps. We have 14 pilots that I've trained up that fly shows for us. Also, I do shows. I will start my day in Dallas like I do with the Dodgers. I flew out to LA. Before this show, I was in Purdue. So it's been just a while.
And so when you're piloting the drone show tonight, what will you be doing?
Once they're all laid out, I'll get them ready for the show. That means setting their geofences up, giving them their individual flight paths, and looking for any errors or deviations. After that, I'm going to set the time to the drones. And that's the big functionality of the software. It synchronizes all the clocks so they know exactly when that show's supposed to start.
How are you feeling when you're actually operating as a chief pilot? Are you stressed? Is it fun? Are you chilling?
Initially, I used to get pretty stressed with the first couple of shows. It's 1,000 drones. It's $2.5 million in the sky at once. But I've done so many of these. I've seen anything that could go wrong, and I've had to overcome issues. And it doesn't get to me anymore. So I like to have some fun. I like to crack jokes to the crew, and we just try to have fun.
Are we worried anything is going to go wrong tonight?
No. And the biggest thing that could go wrong is if they lose that signal from the sophisticated GPS. If that happens, then they're not relying on the precise GPS. They're relying on a GPS like other drones.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much. Good luck to you tonight. It was great chatting with you. We're at our seats, about 2 hours until the real show starts, Drone Light Show. For now, please enjoy this intermission of the baseball game.
Two.
show is about to start. It's coming!
It's time for the Star Wars Run Show, presented by Chevron Texaco Railroad.